In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional tabbed system using only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript required. So let's get started. First, we will use radio buttons to create the tab functionality. Each input acts as a tab selection. Then we add label elements to style the tabs. Lastly, we connect the radio buttons to the labels using the for attribute and match it with the ID of the radio button. Next, we will visually hide the radio buttons using accessibility friendly technique like clip and clip path properties. This ensures the input are hidden but still keyboard accessible. Now let's style the labels to look like tabs. We will use padding, borders and background colors to make them clickable and visually distinct. To highlight the active tab, we use the checked pseudo class to change the styles dynamically when a tab is selected. Each tab has a corresponding content wrapped in a div with the class tab content. Initially, all content is hidden. Using the sibling combinator, we display the content that matches the selected tab by linking it to the checked pseudo class state of radio button. Finally, let's add some hover effects and transitions to make the tabs feel interactive and smooth. And there you have it, a fully functional tab system created with just HTML and CSS. Try this out in your next project and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more front-end tips.